Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Thank you for being here. Real nice Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a fried rice recipe, and this is a veggie 5-spice fried rice. We're going to be adding some soya chunks to this fried rice, which people use instead of meat. It has a meaty texture. This is it right here, as you can see. So you're going to soak this when you're cooking it. You soak it a little beforehand, and then you add it to your dish. So we're going to be adding that to our 5-spice fried rice. So if you didn't want to add the soya chunks to this fried rice, this will be a delicious fried rice by itself without even the chunks. The 5-spice makes a very tasty fried rice for you vegetarians out there. So this one is especially for you. So you can have it either with the soya chunks or without. It's still going to taste delicious. So for this recipe, we're going to be using all those ingredients you see there, which I may forget or omit a couple. But we're going to be using, of course, our rice in the bowl up there. We're going to be using some casareep, some Chinese sauce, salt, black pepper, onion, sweet peppers, bora, scallions, garlic, pepper, celery. We're going to be using some fried rice seasoning, of course. Don't worry, all the ingredients with measurements are always listed below our video in the description box. Let's get started with this delicious veggie fried rice, guys. Okay, my friends, so to begin with, you have to soak your soya chunks in some hot water. So we're gonna do that now. Soak it for about 5 minutes, so that they're gonna soften up and ready for us to use. So these soya chunks, guys, if you've never cooked this before, these are very healthy. They're made from the soybean oil. They're the byproduct from the soybean oil, and it's defatted, high in protein. And the protein in this soya chunks are equivalent to that of meat. So this is a meat substitute for you vegetarians. And this can be cooked in various ways. You can make curries out of these and all kind of things. So we're gonna do a curry one day and show you guys. So we're gonna put this aside for it to soften up for us, and we're gonna get cracking on the other stuff. So the pepper in our dishes are always optional, as you guys know, right? So these are viris. We have 3 of them here. So this is our broadleaf thyme, pudina. So you're gonna wash our bora. So you see we got some nice green boras, which you want in your fried rice, the greenest ones. So our pepper and garlic is grounded as well. Our soya chunks are soaking, and you can see they're sweating with the soaking. And we have all of our vegetables cut up. So we're using 3 cups of rice today, and we're using white rice. We always use white rice for fried rice. It makes a better fried rice. And you can certainly cook your rice the day before and keep it in the fridge, which many people do. But we don't have any in the fridge today, so we're going to be cooking our rice right now. So we've added our oil to get heated. In the meanwhile, we're going to go wash our rice. That's the garlic and pepper we pounded in the mortar. So now we're gonna add our washed rice. Give that a good mix. So we're gonna add our chunks now. So you want to take them in your hands and squeeze the water out and add them to your rice. So yes guys, these chunks are really healthy. Has all the proteins that meat does. Good for you. So we're gonna add our fried rice seasoning now. And then we're gonna add our Chinese spice now as well. Our 5 spice. Some black pepper. Salt to taste. Give that a good mix again. So now we're gonna add our Casareep and our Chinese sauce. Give that a good mix again. This is smelling so good, guys. That 5 spice makes a really tasty fried rice. This is smelling delicious already. As I said, even without the chunks, this would be delicious. So now we're gonna leave our rice to cook here for a little bit, guys, for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add some water. So during the 5 minutes, you're gonna cook this. You're gonna turn it a few times, right? Don't leave it and go watch TV, young restless. All right, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So now we're gonna add our water. Okay, so the water you're going to add to your rice is a 2-to-1 ratio. So we had 3 cups of rice, so we're going to add 6 cups of water. So you need to be exact with your water in order for your fried rice to come out dry, not be too soggy. So we're going to cover this back and let it cook now. So we're going to continue cooking this, guys, on a medium heat. As I said, most of the cooking is always on a medium heat. So it's been about 5 minutes since our rice have been boiling slowly. So we're going to check, give it a turn. That's smelling good, guys. So this rice is done now, guys. So we're going to turn off our stove, but we're still going to leave it on the heat for it to cook a little bit more and dry some more, alright? And then we're going to go work on our other stuff. So we left our rice for about 5-6 minutes in the pot, guys, on the stove turned off, so that it continue cooking for a little bit to get the last grains out. So now we're going to put it in a basin, let it air out for a bit. Alright, so we're going to spread out our rice in this basin. As you can see, it's a bit loosey already, so we're going to spread it out, let it air out a bit more, and it's going to get even more loosier. So that's what I said, that you have to use the rice to water ratio, the 2-to-1, 1 rice to 2 water. So we use 3 cups of rice, so we use 6 cups of water. So that's how you're going to get your rice to be a bit loosey. So we're going to go work on the other ingredients now, guys. So we're going to add some oil to our pan now, guys, while our rice is cooling off. So we're going to add our bora and our sweet peppers first, guys. So we're going to add the stuff that are a little tougher first, for them to fry a bit first. So we're going to add the mixed vegetables as well. So these are a bit tougher. We're gonna let them cook for a bit. We're gonna add some black pepper. Salt to taste. So we added some black pepper to this as well, guys. So once this is cooked a little bit, we're gonna add our other ingredients. As you can remember, the scallions and the celery. Okay guys, so you can also add some of your seasonings to your vegetables as well. So we are adding a bit of the 5-spice and a bit of the fried rice seasoning here as well. And a bit of the Chinese sauce. There we go. So this is fried a bit, guys. So now we're gonna add our softer seasonings, celery and scallions, and the pepper that we had here. So the pepper is optional, as you know. So you just need to cook your scallions and stuff for about 30 seconds or so, and you're gonna add your rice. So we're gonna give this a good mix. So that's it there, my friends. Isn't our fried rice looking yummy? The best veggie fried rice. So guys, as I said, you can use the chunks or not. This is still going to be a tasty fried rice because of the 5-spice makes a very tasty fried rice. So there you have it, guys, our yummy veggie fried rice with soya chunks. As I said, you can cook it without the soya chunks as well and it'll still be tasty. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.